When we look at actual productivity figures and we take men's formal dress shirts as a benchmark, we find that in Bangalore and Chennai, which are basically shirt manufacturing centers, the productivity as measured in number of shirts produced per sewing machine in 8 hours. The average unit is between 10 to 12 shirts. A fairly good unit, which is generally considered above average, is between 14 to 16 shirts. And the best figure that we have had, that I have seen, is around 23 shirts in 8 hours per sewing machine. Now this best figure that I have seen was in fact not in a regular garment factory, but was surprisingly in a manufacturing unit which was attached to a training institute and an R&D center. When we compare this with the productivity of some other countries using exactly the same type of technology and exactly the same type of machines that are being used in our best units, which produce 23 shirts, we find that the Japanese recommendation, most of these machines are Japanese machines, is 46 shirts. In Korea, they produce as much as 32 shirts. In Taiwan, it is 36 shirts. Even in Bangladesh, about 18 shirts. In Thailand, where they've had the benefit of Japanese technology and Japanese engineers, it's 30. In Sri Lanka, it's around 26. In Burma, it's 22. And China, it's around 30 shirts per sewing machine in 8 hours. When we consider that the Chinese labor cost is about half Indian labor cost and the productivity is almost double, then we have to appreciate the kind of competition in the international global market that India can face from China, and the fact also that China grows its own cotton and has capacity to produce in very, very large quantities. Look at Mumbai, where 60% of factories produce using the piece system, and Delhi, where 80% of the factories are in fact working on piece system. The production in an 8-hour shift would be between 6 to 12 shirts by a single tailor. That is, only the sewing done of the lock stitch, single needle lock stitch work. Over and above this, the buttonholing and the overlock or the chain stitch work would have to be done separately by other operators on other machines. Now, a figure of 6 to 8 is available in units which use Indian low-speed sewing machines, generally not mechanized but manually operated by a leg treadle. The cost of this machine is around 2,000 rupees, and at 6 to 8 shirts, there seems to be enough return on investment for these companies, these small units, usually not more than 30 to 40 machines, to survive economically. But there are also several units which are using Japanese and imported high-speed sewing machines, which comparatively cost around 25,000 rupees, and which get a productivity of only